2017 was. I started the year by wanting to open up more to my viewers, you guys, my subscribers, my loyal friends. I wanted you to see more of me, to know more of me. And I believe I did succeed on doing that. I believe that I slowly started to trust you, and I slowly started to open up by sharing with you a few bits of my life, a few bits about myself, about my past. And I'm forever grateful for how you reacted to them, how you received them, and how you responded to them. And I promise you I'll continue to doing so. And then, like every year, everyone starts to age 1 year older. So yeah, my birthday came and our baby girl turned 1. It's amazing and crazy how time flies, especially when you have children. You just see it faster, and you just want to cherish every single moment a little bit more. And then my channel started to grow. I started to make new friends from my loyal subscribers, from my loyal viewers. You started to reach out to me, especially through Facebook and Instagram, the social medias. And I started to make new friends. And I thank you for that. I thank you for trusting me and wanting to be my friend, because we share the same passion. And why not, just share a little bit of our life with each other. But life is not always about the sweet and the sugar. There's also the bitter and the sour. I started to go into this emotional roller coaster where I just got super sensitive about everything almost. So the weight gain also came with that. But thank goodness I realized the reason for the weight gain, and by the end of the year I got rid of it. That's the birth control, ladies. No, I'm still on birth control. I just got rid of the depot shot. With the bitter, a couple of my family members passed away. One was a very young person, my cousin. We were not super close, but we were not strangers either. I knew him. He was a great guy. He had young family, young children still, and just like that, he left us. Towards the end of the year, my grandmother passed away also. And that is why 2017 was just not the year for me. Life is just bittersweet, but it's more on the bitter side last year. But then there comes Vegas, our first time traveling together, spending vacation together as husband and wife, and also as celebrating our 4-year anniversary as lovers. Vegas was great. It was a great experience, and we definitely want to come and visit again. Also, I got to reunite with a dear friend of mine, so that's a plus. And then I finally reached my 1,000 subscribers goal. We are now way past that, and I thank you so much. I don't think I thanked you enough for that, but I thank you so much for helping me reach that goal. I know it's probably not enough or nothing for big YouTubers, but it's really something for me. It's the start of my success on YouTube and on the video content creator world. I thank you so much for helping me reach that goal. Thank you for sharing my videos to all your friends and family so they could like it and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for sharing my Facebook page so your friends and family could like it. Thank you so much for those. Thank you so much for following my videos non-stop. Thank you for commenting non-stop. Thank you for participating on the live videos on Facebook. Thank you for liking my pictures on Instagram. Thank you for your Snapchats. But 2017 was more bitter than sweet for me. But I thank you for sharing that year with me and riding along. Thanks you guys. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching that video, you guys. If you guys liked it, please give it a big thumbs up so that I know that you guys like this type of videos. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel by clicking my round face right here, and that will help me a whole lot. And if you guys want to check out my vlog channel, it will be right up here. And the next video is here.